Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. All right, Amazon find for today is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars and over 80,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Whether it's spills on the sofa, stains on the carpet, or pet accidents, this portable cleaner packs a professional grade suction and scrubbing power into a lightweight, easy to store unit. With its strong spray and efficient suction, it lifts even the toughest dirt, grime, and stains, leaving your fabric surfaces fresh or spotless. So how exactly do you use it? You're going to want to start by removing the clean water tank from the machine. Fill it with warm water to the indicated fill line. Add the recommended amount of Bissell cleaning formula, then reattach the tank to the cleaner. Plug in the machine to a power outlet, then attach the cleaning tool that suits your surface, such as the tough stain tool or the upholstery tool. Turn on the cleaner, then hold the tool about an inch above the area you're cleaning. Press the spray trigger to release the cleaning solution onto the surface. Use the brush attached to the tool to gently scrub the stained or dirty area. Release the spray trigger and move the tool slowly over the area to suction up the dirty water. Repeat until the surface is clean and the liquid is thoroughly extracted. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.